is given that DNA content of diploid cell in G1 phase of the cell cycle is measured. So in this DNA content, if it is X, then DNA content of the same cell in metaphase stage of meiosis 1 and metaphase stage of meiosis 2 will be respectively. So answer options are given. Suppose in G1 phase, DNA content, we all know that it is 2C, that is chromosomes are in diploid state is given, so it is 2N and 2C. So 2N 2C is equal to X. When cell enter into the S phase where DNA replication occur, so after completion of replication cycle, the chromosomes get duplicated, so 2C become 4C. So 4C content is from X is equal to 2X. So in G2 phase, DNA content will be doubled. So after completion of meiosis 1, cell enter into the metaphase 1 stage where DNA content is 4N and 4C, that is equal to 2X. So after completion of metaphase 1, when cell enter into the metaphase 2 where sister chromatids are ready to be separated and attached to and going towards spindle pole, so DNA content is again become half, so 2x will become X, and X is equal to 2N and 2C. So answer option is when cell enter into the metaphase 1 stage, the DNA content is 2X, and after completion of metaphase 1, sister chromatids are ready to be separated and going towards the different spindle pole, DNA content will become a half. So answer is option B, that is 2X and X.